Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you some most unique and beautiful designing ideas of crochet baby headbands for summer. You will see very attractive and beautiful designs for babies and toddler girls. All of these designs are mostly having very attractive and beautiful 3D crochet flower work on them as well. And almost all of the crochet flower tutorials are available on my channel already, and these designs, as you can see, are very simple and unique, and you can give them a try by making them. You can just let me know in the comments as well if you are interested in seeing tutorial videos. Some of the tutorial videos of crochet baby headbands are already available on my channel, and if you are interested in more, just let me know in the comments as well. I will make more tutorial videos of crochet baby headbands with flower patterns for you as well. So don't forget to share your opinion in the comment box about any crochet tutorial video other than these headbands as well. Many of the crochet baby products like crochet baby frocks, baby dresses, baby shoes and headbands are available. So you can see them and learn from them and make your product by yourself at home using different types of yarn. You can use any type of yarn to make these designs, but baby yarns like cotton baby yarn or acrylic are best to use and make these kinds of products. So baby soft yarn is best to make baby products, and you can use 3-ply yarn if you are using the product for light summer season or autumn season or spring season. If you want to make product for winter season, you can use 4-ply yarn instead of 3-ply as well. In most of my tutorials, I use 3-ply yarn because weather in my country is a bit high, so I prefer to use 3-ply yarn, but you can use 4-ply yarn as well, because the pattern of these type of headbands or any other crochet product can be made using 3-ply or 4-ply yarn as well. All you need to have is just changing the number of base chains. So give this video a big thumbs up if you like these designing ideas, and do not forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel, and also press the bell icon to get notifications of each and every future upload from this channel. Take a screenshot of any specific design which you like and you want to make, and make it by yourself at home if you see the stitches clearly. However, you can also watch tutorial videos available on my channel as well. So thank you for watching. Bye.